Welcome to this Disco project's demonstration of how we integrated our Urban Freight Data Space, or UFDS, with the Urbane project's user interface and model management engine to create innovative, user-friendly data space applications. The UFDS empowers our 8 participating cities to transition toward the physical internet. These include Ghent, Thessaloniki, Copenhagen, and Helsinki, shown here alongside Barcelona, Padua, Zaragoza, and Valencia. These cities share critical datasets on traffic, deliveries, parking, and urban hazards. Beyond sharing, the data space streamlines structures via our vocabulary hub, enables discovery through our broker mechanism, and records transactions in our logging house. Crucially, and the focus of this video, it supports intuitive applications that unlock value from this shared data. In this demo, we use 2 types of last-mile delivery datasets from Barcelona. This data is consumed through the data space via our connector and stored locally by a data app we call the data consumer. Finally, the Urbane platform utilizes this data to drive the Shareable Lockers Simulator we explain next. Before doing so, it is important to note that Barcelona's datasets originate in their green network and are only copied to the user's blue network after a data space agreement is in place. They are never transferred to the Citicora red cloud. Instead, the data remains within the user's network and is accessed through the app without being stored by Citicora, preserving data sovereignty, a core principle of data spaces. The Barcelona datasets are of 2 types: customer home addresses, shown as black squares on the map, and an LSP's delivery locker locations, shown as red mailboxes. We assume the LSP follows a hybrid locker strategy. Deliveries are made to a nearby locker when available, otherwise they are delivered to the customer's home address. The application we will now showcase lets the LSP compare scenarios using its hybrid delivery model, either with only its own lockers, shown in red, or by pooling lockers with another LSP, shown in blue. Setting up a scenario is straightforward. The user selects the dataset with customer locations, where deliveries should be made if no locker is nearby, and 1 or more locker datasets that are to be considered for deliveries. After the simulation, the user receives key metrics, including the percentage of locker deliveries, customer travel distances, and CO2 emissions. Most importantly, results can be compared side by side to compare different scenarios, like, for example, one where deliveries are only placed in the LSP's own lockers against one where deliveries are placed in a common pool of lockers. We log into the Urbane platform, select the Shareable Lockers simulation, and connect to our data consumer application, where the Barcelona datasets are available after being consumed through the data space. Note that a detailed walkthrough of the data consumption process through the data space is shown in our previous locker placement application video demo. We then see a map of participating cities where Barcelona is now populated with the transferred last-mile data. First, we run a base scenario. Deliveries from Deliveries 1 dataset are fulfilled using only the operator's own lockers from Lockers 1 dataset. After placing the warehouse on the map, we only have to click on the Calculate button. Next, we simulate the same deliveries, but with additional lockers from another operator, Lockers 2 dataset, enabling a locker pooling scenario. Again, we place the warehouse on the map and click on the Calculate button. Once the simulations are complete, we review a single simulation's results, which include information on CO2 emissions, locker delivery rates, customer travel distances to pick up their parcels, as well as individual parcel information. Finally, we compare both scenarios and compare their metrics to assess the expected increase in locker usage, since in the pooling scenario there are more lockers available, as well as the impact on all other metrics. This concludes our demonstration of the Disco UFDS integration with the Urbane platform and model management engine. Thank you for watching.